And your retirement portfolio is probably a little smaller today thanks to a major stock market tumble. The TSX was down over 330 points. That's the biggest one-day drop in close to a year. But that wasn't the only bad news for investors. Gold, once considered a safe place to park your money, also fell dramatically, experiencing the biggest single-day decrease in 33 years. Francis Savaggio looks at how this happened and if this financial freefall will continue.
Gold prices continue to freefall as fears mount over a European sell-off to satisfy creditors.
What happened is that all of a sudden you had this avalanche of sellers coming in, and there wasn't obviously a matching number of buyers at those prices, so they have, the price drops until you find the next buyer.
It's just the latest detour on gold's wild ride that saw it surge from a low of $700 an ounce 5 years ago to a high of $1,900 in August 2011. Since then, its value has plummeted nearly 29%, and with struggling European countries forced to find fast cash for bailout packages and false expectations about the central bank's role in managing inflation, gold prices had nowhere to go but down.
Those fund managers or investors who had been positioning themselves into gold to protect their asset holdings from potentially higher inflation now are having second thoughts about it, and they are unwinding some of those positions in gold.
The falling price now threatens producers who say the cost to mine the commodity is almost more than it's worth, and worried investors aren't sure where to turn.
Well, I think the level of uncertainty is really profound within the global economy, not just from an economic standpoint, but also a financial standpoint. I mean, what are investors supposed to do who are looking for some sort of safe haven here? I mean, they used to be told, hey, don't worry, gold's okay. They get told that certain government bonds are okay, and of course they haven't been.
Gold dropped to its lowest level in nearly 2 years today. The question is, where will it stop? Francis Savaggio, Global News.